Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg go into a bottle. First, you will need a hard-boiled egg, completely peeled, and a glass bottle. The bottle's opening should be slightly smaller than the egg itself, creating a snug fit. This classic experiment demonstrates air pressure in a fun and engaging way. Make sure your egg is fully cooled to prevent any accidental burns during the process. Next, we need to prepare the bottle. Take a small piece of paper, about 2 inches by 2 inches, or 3 to 4 wooden matches, and light it. Quickly drop the burning material into the bottle. The flame will heat the air inside the bottle, causing it to expand. This expansion is crucial for the next step, so work swiftly but safely. As soon as the burning paper or matches are inside, quickly place the hard-boiled egg on top of the bottle's opening. The egg should form a tight seal, preventing any air from escaping or entering. As the flame consumes the oxygen and the air inside cools, the pressure inside the bottle decreases significantly. This pressure difference is what will push the egg into the bottle. The magic behind this trick is all about air pressure. When the burning paper heats the air inside the bottle, that air expands and some escapes. Once the egg seals the opening, the flame goes out, and the remaining air inside cools down and contracts. This creates a lower pressure zone inside the bottle compared to the higher atmospheric pressure outside, effectively pushing the egg inward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.